People spend $2,000 on a PC and still install the RAM wrong. Let's not be that guy. Today we're turning a pile of expensive parts into a machine that can run games, edit videos, and maybe even survive having Chrome open. First up, the CPU. Remember the golden rule of PC building. If it doesn't fit, don't force it unless you enjoy expensive mistakes. Next comes the RAM. Slide it in and listen for that satisfying click, because no click usually means no boot. Now the most expensive Lego piece in existence, the GPU gently into the slot like it's made of glass. After that, we wrestle with cable management, which doesn't actually make the PC faster, but it does make you feel like you know what you're doing. And finally, the moment of truth, the power button. If it turns on, we're geniuses, and if it doesn't, we call it a cinematic build and try again.